Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this video. We are so happy to have you with us. Right now, you will find 80 plus best natural short, coily, pixel short haircuts and hairstyles, picture ideas for black hair. Yes, really amazing looks for you, the beautiful black woman or woman of black descent who wants to look amazing on a coily short haircut, probably the pixel haircut. You find lots of amazing styles right here, whether you have a natural hair or relaxed hair type. You find lots of amazing trendy styles you can definitely go for as you watch on. Really amazing coils, beautiful and amazing hair color ideas and inspiration if you want to change your hair color look. Of course, you'll find lovely and amazing and latest short coily pixel ideas as you watch on. Really amazing short coily haircuts. You find short shaved hairstyles. You also find short sassy style haircuts and hairstyles. Really amazing coily pixel haircuts to give you that confident boosting mindset. You also find pin coils for your short hair if that's what you're looking for. The pin-up style is a very vintage style. Of course, a lot of ladies still go for that look, especially if you're matured. You'll definitely love this look, but of course the younger age group are also swinging that way as well. So again, if you have a short relaxed hair, you'll find lovely and amazing styles right here. If you're looking for finger waves, short hairstyles for your short hair, you also find those as you watch on, so make sure you watch through the end. Let's hear your thought about this wonderful and amazing video on the comment section. Do well to share your thought on the comment section. We love to hear from you always. We're so happy whenever you leave us those symbols of love, encouragement, of thumbs up, of likes, and of course leaving us that like. Pressing the like button goes a long way to showing your support for what we do on this platform. Do well again to share this video and watch through the end. You can also check out our previously uploaded videos to find more ideas to inspire a great look. You take care and bye.